Kamu jahat.
Are you dead? Udah kayak gitu kan. And then the mentors would be like, nobody cries like that. Nggak ada yang nangis kayak gitu. Chill out. Mereka gaungkannya adalah untuk empower and inspire. I hope they all do the same. Karena after Putri Indonesia and especially after Cosmo, I feel like I'm just not a brand new person. After the event, terus kita makan pinggir jalan. Misalnya lesnya jam 4, aku datang jam 4.30 sengaja di jalan minta sama Om kayak, Om lambat aja, Om mampir Indomaret dulu, mampir ini, mampir itu.
Tapi what's Tata beyond Cosmo?
Yes. What's me beyond Cosmo? I would want someone that stimulates me intellectually.
Oh.
So kangen Tata yang udah gesrek. What does that mean?
What is gesrek?
Hi guys! Welcome back to Mudcast with me, Audrey Vanessa.
And me, Monica Kezia.
Sebelum kita ngobrol-ngobrol, kita akan mendengarkan fun fact about our guest star. Our very special guest star as always. Jadi silakan Monica Florence. Halo guys, bareng aku Monica Florence di Modcast on News. Di episode kali ini, aku bakal kasih tahu fakta-fakta menarik tentang bintang tamu kita yang inspiratif, yaitu Ketut Permata Julia Strittsari, atau yang bisa kita panggil sebagai Tata Miss Cosmo 2024. Fakta pertama dari wanita asal Bali ini, yang lahir tanggal 12 Juli 2003, berhasil menjadi pemenang perdana ajang kecantikan internasional Miss Cosmo 2024. Ajang ini diselenggarakan di Vietnam dan Tata berhasil mengalahkan perwakilan lebih dari 60 negara. Wah, ini sih bukan cuma menang, tapi juga langsung cetak sejarah loh guys. Fakta kedua, sebelum meraih gelar internasional, Tata merupakan Putri Indonesia Pariwisata 2024. Hal ini menjadi langkah awal bagi Tata hingga akhirnya ia berhasil mengharumkan nama Indonesia di dunia. Dari level nasional, langsung melaju ke level internasional. Wah, luar biasa banget loh. Dan fakta terakhirnya nih, Tata dikenal memiliki banyak talenta. Dimulai dari catwalk, public speaking, sampai bakat seni seperti menyanyi, menari, dan piawai memainkan biola. Wah, ini sih paket lengkap ya. Gak diraguin lagi kenapa Tata bisa menjadi pemenang Miss Cosmo 2024. Itu dia fakta-fakta menarik dari Tata Julia Street. Bukan cuma cantik, tapi juga inspiratif. Aku Monica Florence, pamit, see you and bye-bye. Hai semuanya, back again with me di Modcast. I would like to introduce you to our two very special guests, Monica Kezia and also Audrey Vanessa.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yes, it's such an honor to have you here. This is our fifth episode, is it?
I don't even know.
This is our fifth episode and it's such a blast when I received the news that you guys agreed to come. So thank you so much.
Oh, girl. Yes. I've been manifesting this in.
That's me. Well, you know what? Welcome to the Miss Indonesia family.
Oh, thank you, girl. You're gonna get roasted.
No.
You even haven't introduced yourself as a host.
Oh, yes. I'm so sorry. That's very not hostly of me.
Yeah.
I am... Oh my god! Like opening number again and again.
No, don't.
My name is Tata and I am your Putri Indonesia Pariwisata 2024 and also Miss Cosmo 2024.
Yay! First ever Miss Cosmo.
First ever Miss Cosmo.
As a Miss Cosmo, how do you feel coming back to Indonesia?
Well, this is... Wait, I have like a cough coming.
Mau air nggak?
Yes, please.
Ada bisa tolong
I
air?
left. Well, let me continue. Aku udah di sini itu dari Januari. I mean in Bali, Jakarta back and forth. So the funny thing is, I didn't realize how much I miss home until I am home.
Ooh.
Because when I was in Vietnam,
I mean, yes, I do miss home, tapi nggak sampai yang kayak I wanna go home or I'm homesick. Sampai after Cosmo, I stay in Bali for a couple of weeks and I spent quality time with my family. And I am reminded of how comforting that is. And then I'm just like, oh my God, I miss this feeling. It's been such a long time. Karena dari Putri Indonesia kan. I haven't done that. It's been such a long time. But coming back to Indonesia will always be, an honor. It's like a love and hate relationship with Indonesia, especially right now. But I grew up in this land, it's a land that birthed me. So it's been amazing being back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. What's the plan, Udah balik ke Indo, what do you want to do now?
Is it a hard question?
It's a very hard question because every time I would meet a stranger or someone new, or I'm introduced to someone new and they don't know anything about pageantry, right? And they would ask me like, oh, kamu sekarang sibuknya ngapain? And I'll be like, I used to be very busy. But I never know what to say. Because what do you say? What would you say? I mean, because
I relate sih.
Right?
Yeah,
what would you say, especially fresh after a pageant?
Yeah.
You wouldn't say, oh, I miss Cosmo. Like, what? People will be like, oh, okay. Don't take me wrong. I take so much pride in Miss Cosmo or Putri Indonesia as a title or as a pageant. Tapi what do you say when people ask you?
After the rain, yeah.
Yeah, because if I were to answer like, iya aku modeling, not really. I'm not really modeling.
Why not?
I mean, it's not that I don't want, but I am not a professional model.
Look
I
at
feel
you!
like if I was a model and I see someone who's not modeling claiming that they're a model, I'll be like, oh, are you? Right? I don't want to claim something that I am not. Maybe yet. but
Miss
I am.
Ma'am, you should.
Yes. Look at you.
Thank you.
Okay, anyway, you can just say...
Can I drink first?
Yeah, of course.
Anyway,
yeah.
drinks.
Anyway, you can just say that I'm just chilling. I'm just enjoying my life. I deserve this
Yeah.
rest.
Well, I deserve bruises. I mean, I do, but I wouldn't say that to someone. But yeah, I've been answering that. I've been like, oh, right now I'm not really busy with anything. I'm just seeing where Jakarta or my career takes me. And it's always fun seeing the other person's response. They're gonna be like, oh, or like, oh, nice. It's always different responses.
I see. Tapi you're for good ya di Jakarta.
Yeah.
For like forever.
Forever is a long time.
I know, I've heard.
I always knew in my heart that I want to settle in Bali. So even if I were to live abroad, I really want to try living abroad.
Really?
Like living abroad. I mean, I tried in Vietnam, but it's still Southeast Asia. Jadi it's not that much different. I love Vietnam.
Somewhere Europe.
Yeah.
US.
Yeah. But with the current situation, let me postpone
Let me
that.
settle here first.
Yeah.
Tapi pengennya di mana?
Specifically, I don't really have. I really wanted to like stay here for 6 months. Abis itu pindah for 6 months. Okay, I don't want to settle.
I want to travel and enjoy
I
the
want
world.
to travel. Maybe I can be a travel vlogger.
Yes, that can be your career. Because
Right.
I heard a lot. Jadi kayak banyak orang itu when they become travel vlogger, they go around the world for free and they get the hotel for free.
Yes.
You just need to do
Isn't
the
that
video.
life?
Yes.
People would like kill for that.
Yes.
Girl,
Yeah.
You go, girl.
do that. Then if
I'm
like
doing that.
if udah jadi kayak lebih serius, bring us.
Yes, bring
Take
us with you. Don't forget
Kok
us.
dapetnya waktu enaknya doang? Waktu lo berakit-rakit ke hulu, lo kemana?
Di sini. Lagi podcast.
Lagi podcast.
Tapi let's say when you first go abroad, nanti misalnya kamu pengen tinggal di luar, itu awalnya pengen sekolah dulu atau pengen cobain kerja?
Yeah, I feel like kalau sekolah dulu would justify it.
Ah,
Right? But I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe I'm just gonna go like, let me just experience Italy. Whoa.
Italy will look so good on you.
On me.
On you.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm excited. Tapi di Jakarta, I wanna try my chances for a career here in Jakarta. I mean, after Putri Indonesia and after Cosmo, it opened a lot of doors, right? A lot of bridges for opportunities, and I get to meet a lot of amazing people in the showbiz industry, creative industry, kan. Jadi I wanna try my chances. Hopefully, I can make it.
Okay, maybe mungkin interest you deh kemana? Maybe acting, hosting, or singing? Because these are all the chances that you have. So if you gotta choose, like, or this three, you wanna get this.
I really want to do all, but
Okay, that's nice.
acting, because I'm taking acting courses right now.
Coba dong, coba. Boleh gak sih kita coba Tata acting sekarang? Coba Tata acting nangis.
I
Atau
only
marah.
got to meet two. Please no.
Ayo, you kan udah biasa tuh di
Iya.
acting school.
Kok tiba-tiba
you
graduated?
I graduated. I mean, like, you do a script and Tata will do the acting.
Okay.
It's either that or you sing, you know.
What?
Acting and singing lah. We have to.
Oh my god, act while you sing.
Okay, act.
Act dulu. Okay.
You're
you give the script.
my like a very evil stepsister or grandma.
I want to do grandma.
Okay.
Okay, be a grandma.
And what am I like? Am I like bawang putih tertindas?
Boleh. You choose your own character.
I'm so nervous. Like,
Wait,
guys,
what?
there's so many people behind the camera. If you think that it's only 3 of us, you're wrong. There's so many people here.
Ayo coba, you pancing biar Tata bisa.
I can't.
Let's go, girls. Show you skill kalian berdua. Ayo.
No. Let's not do this.
Let's go.
You know what? I heard that you're getting married.
These are the discussions.
I heard that you're getting married.
Yes, I am. But back to the topic. Ini
No,
selalu
like it's
mencari
such
peralihan
an
ya.
exciting news, you know. It's like a whole different world. You're so established as a person already.
Ini mengalihkan banget.
I
ya,
feel
topiknya.
like you went through it all already, and you're such an inspiration to many, a role model. You know what? Actually, no. This is I'm serious. But you remind me of Sophie so much.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you
This
guys
is
have like the
beneran,
same vibe. Yeah. You guys have the same vibe. Even when like Kamonika would jailin you, but you're still like, no, like so soft. Like Sophie would do that. If I accuse her of something, she'd be like, no, it's not true.
I'm her senior, but I got bullied by her all the
Yeah,
time.
I can see that. Yeah, giving antagonist.
See? Okay, so you cocok jadi grandma antagonis. Dan you jadi bawang putih yang tertindas, okay? Okay. I think I know. Your role is dulu you're bawang putih tertindas, but you got your crown back. You got your, your energy back.
Okay.
And you know that this is not what I deserve.
Okay.
And I'm gonna come back as
Go
a girl, as a Tata that I am now, okay? Let's
How
go.
do we got here?
Tapi itu gak cocok. Masa grandma sama Tata? Maybe you're the bawang merah dan.
Terus
You're
you
the bawang
jadi
merah.
apa?
No, I'm the script writer. Ayo, let's go.
Okay.
Really?
Sutradara.
No.
Let's go, girls. 3, 2, 1.
I want to be a grandma.
Okay, go
Okay,
ahead. Be the
be a grandma then. Be a grandma.
3, 2, 1. Action!
Okay.
Take 2. Action!
Kamu jahat.
Are you dead?
Are you dead?
What happened?
Not so fast.
Are you dead? Wait, let me cough again.
Grandmanya.
Okay.
Aku akan mati. Dan ini semua karena kamu.
Wait, you're supposed to be the evil one? Why am I the evil one?
Munafik, fitnah.
Okay.
Kamu mencuri apa yang bukan hak kamu.
I can't.
Girl, I was into it.
That was Grandma Ing. So good. You are so good. Clearly, I still need my lessons.
No.
Let's move on.
I believe that if you do just like a bit of action, the world will love you. And then like mereka langsung.
I love you, but no. Let's move on.
Okay, at least the world gets to see me as a grandma. Anyway,
So acting, you love acting, and then you're
Oh
starting
no.
to.
I forgot. I would choose acting soalnya. I mean, in pageantry, it's performative in a way. I mean, on stage you're performing, you're doing your catwalks and stuff, right? But you're still you know, you're supposed to show you through all the performances. But in acting, you need to learn to be somebody else. So it's like a different world, right? And it's very intriguing because I thought that it's apa ya, kalau acting itu girls kurangnya sorry.
Ya udah girls kurangin bahasa Inggrisnya.
Oh iya.
Kita-
Karena aku pikir kalau di acting itu tuh kok susah. Kok jadi kagok. Karena aku pikir susahnya di acting itu adalah dapat emosi sedihnya, dapat emosi marahnya, tapi ternyata channeling emosi-emosi itu but still looking human. Karena at first when I tried it, waktu sedih gue dia kayak gitu kan. And then the mentors would be like, nobody cries like that. Nggak ada yang nangis kayak gitu. Chill out, you know. Kayak imagine kamu sedih, tapi it's just your everyday life kan. Jadi I'm like, this is so fun. Harus karakter apa ya namanya? I don't get to that materi yet. Harus apa? Learning about the characters, terus actually feeling it, terus imagining it.
Cosmo kan ini baru tahun kedua ya.
Yep.
Why do you think Cosmo itu diadakan? I mean, what's the reason? Is it like karena the founder thinks, oh my god, pageant it needs to be like this, makanya I want to make Cosmo? Atau why? Sebagai pemenang Cosmo sendiri?
Okay, jadi Cosmo itu, if you guys don't know, Cosmo itu international pageant competition that is based in Vietnam. So diselenggarakan oleh namanya Uni Group, and Uni Media Group is under Royal Group di Vietnam. Nah, Royal Group is a family-owned group, and the founder is the mom, is the mother.
Interesting.
Masih hidup?
No. She passed
I'm so
away.
sorry.
But she left a really huge legacy.
Yeah.
She passed away. She has always been a fan of pageantry. Karena dia tuh selalu percaya pageant is a platform to empower.
Yeah.
And as a woman herself, if I'm not mistaken, I think she's a single mother. If I'm not mistaken, I can be wrong. Tapi as a woman herself, she wants to contribute in celebrating this platform. Jadi dulu tahun 2008 kalau nggak salah, pertama kalinya Vietnam as a host country for Miss Universe itu diselenggarakan oleh my group now, Cosmo Group, Uni Group gitu. Dan semenjak itu Unimedia selalu menyelenggarakan pageant in honor of the late founder.
I see.
Gitu. But it goes deeper than that karena not only of the history in pageantry, tapi I guess Henry believes that pageantry should always focuses on the well-being of the girls and focuses on the opportunities for empowerment. And even though it is a business, karena many of you doesn't know, pageant itu is a very high cost production. It is a very high cost production. And in this day, in this modern world, sadly to say, it's not as relevant. Jadi kita udah nggak dapat hype sebagaimana hype pageantry dulu. So orang kalau menyelenggarakan pageant, usually they're not making money out of it. Usually it's out of passion. Usually it's out of mission gitu. And for Henry, that was his purpose. Tapi also he established already a good ecosystem surrounding Miss Cosmo. We have Cosmo ecosystem. Jadi kita ada hotel, kita ada di F&B, kita ada event organizer-nya, kayak gitu-gitu. We already have an ecosystem to support the pageantry, and once the Miss Cosmo is chosen, they will be the face of this ecosystem, gitu. So that's why I would always try to promote Cosmo to people. I mean, at the essence, all pageantry is supposed to empower, right? At the essence, emang itu tujuan awalnya. Tapi for Cosmo, karena kita nggak mikirin making money dari pageant itself, I feel like the girls will not be exploited.
Okay.
They will be taken care of. They will be given opportunities. I'm speaking based on experience. This is what I experienced, and I don't want to disregard kalau misalnya nanti amit-amit ada testimoni yang beda ya di Cosmo. But this is my experience. Selama aku di Cosmo, I've always been celebrated, and this is very rare. I've always been heard. I am always heard. Every single one of my opinion itu they make it count. Mereka selalu pertimbangkan. And it's just something that I'm always very grateful for of Cosmo, and I hope in all pageantries or in all platforms yang mereka gaungkannya adalah untuk empower and inspire, I hope they all do the same. Karena after Putri Indonesia, and especially after Cosmo, I feel like I'm just not a brand new person, tapi I feel more important. I feel like in a table that's important and big, suara aku tuh ada bobotnya gitu. Suara aku tuh dipertimbangkan. And it's a feeling I hope every girl get to experience.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. That's amazing.
Yeah. It's a roller coaster of emotion ya. Especially aku tuh nggak tumbuh dengan the showbiz or entertainment industry. Jadi Putri Indonesia was my first taste of spotlight, if you can call it that. Terus di Cosmo, it's an even bigger spotlight. So I had to manage. The one thing that was really hard for me is not being stubborn. Dalam artian, I need to listen to people's opinion. Karena they're the one that's been in pageantry. Tapi also at the same time, I don't want to lose what makes me me, gitu. Karena a lot of people, especially netizen kan, they have so much opinions, they want certain stuffs. Tapi for me, because I've never been here, I want to listen. I want to take it into consideration. Tapi trying to find the balance between, I'm not being stubborn, sama I am not losing me itu kayak very hard for me at first. Jadi makin kesini, makin ke akhir, I think I need to give credits to Mook as well. She would always be like, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. Yeah, kayak if you don't feel comfortable wearing this dress, then it's not for you. Bahkan kadang she would wear it, tapi kalau I don't feel good wearing it, she would be like, okay, let's choose another one so we can be matching. She just wants to support me. She's awesome. She's awesome. Tapi, yeah, I don't really miss all the spotlight or red carpets or, it's been a great pleasure getting to live all that, experiencing all that. Not everybody gets to. Tapi I don't really miss it, but I do miss the people, the having fun, After the event, terus kita makan pinggir jalan gitu,
nice.
Or the meeting new people, kayak gitu-gitu.
Oh, ngomong soal itu, karena tadi kamu udah mention kayak still being yourself. Nah,
Yeah.
aku itu pas lihat kamu itu bener-bener melihat kamu itu bener-bener diri kamu.
Aww.
So it's really fun kayak to know that walaupun you, gimana ya caranya bilang, jadi you're very queenly, yet you are so you, yet you are so fun, yet you
Girl.
are so, hey girl, come back to normal. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you are so Gen Z juga ya,
Aw.
and then like, you can be yourself. We can see that you are you, yet you are so queenly, and yeah, your bringing is so good. Like,
Thank you. But I see that in you and Kamon as well. You're very prominent characters, It's hard to miss you guys.
Oh.
But Kenapa lo? I am not always like this, especially during the first couple of months of Putri. Like I said, I just don't want to be stubborn, and I don't want to regret. Karena I'm a very stubborn person, and based on experience, there's a lot of things that I do regret. Jadi kayak there's so many looks or so many interviews atau performances that I am not proud of karena I feel like that's so not me and I don't want to do that again.
Which
Tapi
one?
along the way, I cannot say it. What do you mean? Tapi along the way, I kind of just figure it out. I think it's the same for
Yeah,
right? Kayak makin dijalanin tuh makin kayak oke, makin kesini aku tahu aku suka ini, aku tahu aku nggak suka ini, dan I'm trying to lose the fear of I don't wanna disappoint others, and I'm trying to lose the fear of aku nggak mau nyesel gitu, karena kayak ya udah sih kalau udah nyesel ya udah nggak apa-apa, there's nothing you can do about it anyway, there's already a lot of things that I regret, tapi I would hate it kalau I wanted to do something but I didn't do it karena I was just too afraid.
Yeah,
Gitu, I would hate it.
Worst regret ya.
Iya, especially if kalau banyak young girls that look up to Putri Indonesia or to Miss Cosmo, and then I would preach to them that don't be afraid, but I'm afraid. Jadi kayak, bruh, you know. Jadi I try to do what I preach.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Tapi ya, I'm so proud like looking at your journey. Terus pas di Miss Cosmo kan kita bisa lihat kayak Tata itu you host ya terakhir pas Miss Cosmo terakhir itu keren banget, lucu banget. It's so amazing. Kayak you're so talented.
This girl's the whole package, semuanya dia
Iya
bisa.
makanya. Terus nyanyi sambil nari itu yang paling aku kayak terpukau, wow, kayak standing applause man.
But it's lip sync. You guys know that, right?
You did the cover.
It is lip sync. It's my voice, but it's lip sync. Girl, I'm not Beyonce. I'm not Marion Jola. What do you think I do there?
But it's so good. Like, what's the Cosmo national anthem again? Wait, I forgot.
Not a national
It's
anthem.
called Into the Cosmo.
Into the
but
Cosmo.
It is Cosmo song.
Yeah, right. That's the.
Yeah.
Cosmo is not a nation.
I'm sorry. I mean like Cosmo anthem without the national.
Yeah,
Cosmo
Cosmo
anthem is
anthem.
called Into the Cosmo.
Yes.
Like, wow, girl. Can you do a bit of the dancing?
Can you stop making me do stuff?
Tapi berarti you itu nari nyanyi sebelum Putri dan dilanjutkan di enhance saat Cosmo diberikan more opportunity. Is that right?
Yes. Jadi all the nari, nyanyi and stuff itu sebenarnya I did when I was very little. It's my mother's investment. Jadi dulu waktu SD itu I've always been very very busy. Kayak Senin lesnya 2, Selasa les ini, Rabu les ini, liburnya itu cuman Sabtu sama Minggu.
Nggak sia-sia
Gitu.
ya.
Kadang Minggu nggak libur. Itu dari SD sampai SMP. But then SMP I start like udah mulai rebellion yang kayak enggak, aku nggak mau les apa aja tuh.
Mau hangout. Aku mau nonton sama teman-teman.
Aku mau ke pantai. Aku mau
iya.
surf. Aku mau surf.
But
Did you?
I do.
Can you teach me?
Yes,
I'll go
come
to Bali. Okay.
Kita ke Ancol aja.
Emang bisa? Bisa lah, nggak ada ombaknya.
Mulai lanjut.
Okay. Next.
What was I saying? I have no idea.
Investment,
tadi itu
investment.
prompternya nanya les apa aja.
Iya, les apa aja.
Les biola. And I was in a choir. Aku juga les vokal. And I did les piano for a little bit. Terus
Matematika.
Iya. Kayak
Pasti
les
kan?
pelajaran gitu. Tapi it was so bad. Les pelajaran gitu. Tapi waktu SMP udah nggak mau lanjut karena I'm like, why am I so busy? Like I remember one time our argument was like, I want to live life, like YOLO, like I wanna, life is so much more than just going to courses. Terus mama was like, what are you talking about? Like you don't even go anywhere, like you don't even have friends. I'm like, still. Jadi I quit.
You
Sorry, mom.
Semuanya.
I quit everything.
But your
Karena
mom
itu
actually-
tuh transition gitu, kayak bolos dulu. Bukan bolos sih, lebih ke misalnya lesnya jam 4, aku datang jam 4:30 sengaja di jalan minta sama om kayak om lambat aja, om mampir Indomaret dulu, mampir ini, mampir itu gitu. And then he'll be like datangnya lambat, pulangnya cepet. And then my mom would know until I think she gave up. I'm very stubborn. She gave up, jadi udah berhenti semua lesnya. Terus sampai Putri Indonesia itu tuh mereka yang kayak, bakat kamu apa? Oke, saya juga nggak tahu pak. Kayak coba nyanyi, tuh bisa. Ya saya bisa pak. Coba nari, tuh bisa. Ya pak saya bisa. Saya bisa pak. Biola bisa, semua bisa. Jadi baru mulai reconnect lagi with the things I learned. Itu waktu harus ke Cosmo.
Tunggu, you say Pak, who's the Pak?
Pak Mega Angkasa.
Iya Pak Mega
You said that, terus dia
lah.
kayak bisa pak. Iya. Saya kayak pak bisa pak.
Hebat Pak Mega, berarti challenge Tata to become better versions of herself.
Yeah. I only start reconnecting
Yeah,
with all
that's
those.
good.
Yeah.
Udah deh, bahas Cosmonya udah banyak banget tuh. I wanna ask more beyond Cosmo.
Oh, okay.
Tapi what's Tata beyond Cosmo?
What's me beyond Cosmo?
Beyond the crown.
Beyond both
the
crowns.
Yeah, both crowns.
I am just a simple, slow living Bali girl that loves to eat and loves to watch and loves talking with her friends, spending time with her mom. That turns out surprisingly don't really love. Oh, no, turns out she thought that she doesn't love the attention and spotlight. But turns out along the way she did enjoy it. And is just craving for more adventures and side quests. Side quest girly.
So, what kind of side
Side
quest
quest,
you're
yeah.
looking
I
for?
don't know. Like I really want to do so many things. I saw people has been doing. Sekarang tuh lagi banyak yang bouldering ya, kayak wall climbing, gitu-gitu kan.
iya.
Terus I wanna be more active, kayak pengen lebih atletis lagi. I am not an active girl, tapi I want to be. Terus I'm taking acting courses.
You've mentioned.
I'm in progress of taking singing courses.
In progress.
In progress, like wah, belum mulai. Yeah, I wanna do so many things.
Well, that's great. I mean, you're so young. Are you
I'm 22.
Yeah, younger than both.
younger than me?
How old are you? Come on.
I'm 24, girl.
How old are you?
I'm 25, turning 26.
That's still very young.
Says you.
That,
Yeah.
but I'm reminding you that that's still very, very, very
Says
young.
you.
I know.
Wait, you're 22.
I'm 22.
Gila ya, udah ke Cosmo, udah ke Putri in a very young age, and then like very mature already.
Wow,
you
I'm
living
so
a-
far from mature.
You know, for a
I am
22-year-old, you
Yeah.
are very well spoken, and you're very composed.
You're
Bisa
bringing
karena
as well.
terpaksa.
Bisa
Karena
keadaannya.
Karena keadaan. Gitu.
Tahu.
But I'm grateful.
Terus kan you accomplish all this kan very young age ya. Have you ever kayak, aduh, takutnya ntar semua cowok-cowok pada minder sama aku gitu. Pernah nggak sih mikir gitu?
Hell no.
Really?
Because the right guy gonna come.
Biasanya the thing about a very accomplished
High value
woman,
woman.
ya, mereka tuh susah dapat pasangan. Have you ever
I
kayak,
don't mind.
Yeah, that's
You
a
don't mind?
stereotype.
Hah?
Nggak
Cut.
This happens a lot. Anyway, oh, so you disagree with that statement?
No, I do agree that it is a fact kalau a high accomplished woman itu susah dapat pasangan. Tapi that means that along the way they sort themselves out gitu. Kalau you don't feel worthy of me, don't pursue me kan.
Yeah,
Tapi it was never my point of worry kayak aduh takut nanti nggak dapet cowok gitu, no. Karena I grew up
Girls.
karena aku tumbuh itu dikelilingi perempuan-perempuan tangguh. Karena my mom is very strong.
Bahasa Tata.
Ini udah bahasa Inggris semua. Karena mama aku tuh kuat banget. She's a very strong. She's the breadwinner of my family. Terus aku I grew up aduh, this is quite controversial. I don't think I can say it.
It's okay.
Apa itu?
Tapi I've always been surrounded by independent and independent women. Jadi getting a guy or a husband itu kayak it's the least of my worry. Or getting married is like the least of my worry. But no shade to the people that prioritizes marriage. We
for
all pursue different things in life. But for me, I don't know. I just want to make myself happy first.
That's good.
Gitu. Make myself happy first. My mom, the people that has done me right, happy first. Nantilah nikah-nikahan itu. I'm still 22, you guys.
Yeah, so young.
Yeah, I'm still so young.
Agree.
Masih ini banget.
Tapi like if you have to choose criteria in a guy, apa kriteria laki-laki sebenarnya idaman versi Tata yang sudah sempurna ini?
I would want someone that stimulates me intellectually.
Oh.
Kayak kalau kita diskusi itu kayak seru aja gitu. Terus I would want someone that could match my energy. And I'm very stubborn. And I
I don't
tend
see it.
I'm very stubborn loh.
Like
Kayak-
stubborn in a, like as an example, like
Kayak
in a
if I
scenario?
believe in one thing, I believe in that thing. It's gonna be so hard for you buat bawa aku nyebrang ke your beliefs gitu. Jadi I want someone that would be able to persuade me to compromise gitu, to compromise.
You're an alpha, is that what you're saying?
I don't think I'm an alpha. I think I'm quite chill. Tapi kayak if
Opinionated,
I ever,
ya.
Tapi if I ever feel like misalnya in a relationship, kalau aku ngerasa kalau udah kayak mulai ngatur, even though not in a bad way ya, atau nggak misalnya cuman kayak, oh I think it would be better kalau kamu pakai baju yang itu, I'll be like, no. Kayak langsung kayak, you think and no, kayak gitu, and it's not a good quality. That's a me problem. Tapi I feel like kalau dapat partner yang bisa persuade me, tapi bukan kasar ya, persuade me, rayu, bujuk aku buat be like
That'll be
chill
nice,
out,
yeah.
gitu. I think that'd be awesome. That loves their parents and my parents. Gitu. What about you? What about you? This is a fun topic.
She gets so dekat.
What about you?
just talk and then cut it.
What about me?
No. I swear, this is fun. Like, as someone who is very established, right?
I really am not.
You're doing it all. You're doing it all. And I feel like your experience in competing for Miss World, you've seen the world. Okay. What do you look for in a guy? Atau, actually no. What is a straight up no-no? Kayak even though he's a 10 out of 10, he's ini, itu, tapi udah ada ininya kayak, enggak gitu.
Straight up no or red flag. Bye.
Oh no, what is it, girl? A straight up no is someone yang ini basic banget sih tapi
Gak apa-apa.
I don't like it when they're not family oriented sih. Karena I'm so close with mine.
Aww.
I call them every night. I yap to my mom.
Yeah.
Then I yap to my dad about my mom.
Is she breaking up her parents' marriage?
I'm really close with them. Jadi
Aw,
rasanya
that's
kalau
very sweet.
my partner itu gak deket sama keluarga dia, rasanya kayak kenapa gitu. Tapi
yeah.
but
Then
that's
again, yeah.
But that's not fair karena nggak semua orang mungkin secemara
Yeah,
aku gitu kan.
yeah.
And ya mau gimana itu ya like you said, a me problem.
Yeah,
But-
it's not a problem. It's just preferences.
Yeah.
Iya, kriteria.
Kok sedih? Kenapa sedih lu?
I don't know. Let me be sad. Anyways, itu
What about kalau udah ada ininya, this is a plus point. Besides family oriented.
kalau udah ada apa ya? Why am I being interviewed?
She's the host, remember?
Oh, right.
open the show.
Apa ya? Kayak yang banget gitu ya.
Iya.
Jadi like you, I'm very stubborn as well. To the point, aku itu kadang if misalnya we're fighting, terus I'm wrong gitu ya kan? I realize I'm wrong, gitu. But I don't wanna look wrong. Terus I find a way to make myself look not wrong.
Oh my god.
You're manipulating your
God. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's no.
So I need someone.
Girl,
Yes, girl.
I'm gonna say it to you. Go to therapy.
You know you're not the first one to say that. You're not the first one.
Now that is a you problem.
That is a me problem.
Yeah.
I kind of want someone who can fix me.
Oh no!
No.
Am I making it worse?
Oh no. What about you, Kak?
Aduh,
Ode? No. Okay, the question is, what made you say yes?
Okay. A lot lah, of course ya. Karena I've been with him for like 6 years. Of course,
Yeah.
there's ups and downs. Tapi one thing, 6 years. Tapi every time we're on hard situations, he never give up and he never leaves. And he's very loyal and like he gonna stay. Like although, Karena me and him is a very completely different people. Even our love language is very different.
But you still make it work.
Yeah, we stay.
How do you make it work? Teach
Yeah.
us.
Communication. I told you, the only key is just like understand sih. Karena like, we're just like totally different people. Maksudnya kita sama pasangan kita pasti kan to different upbringing,
Yeah.
pembawaan dari orang tua beda dan
Yeah.
semuanya. Jadi cuma bisa bertahan itu ketika kita memahami sih. Ya mengalah aja sih. As long as
Compromise. You have to compromise, right?
compromise, I compromise a lot. He compromised a lot.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
only way it will work.
Oh, that's so cute. Well, I guess a lot of things that people don't talk about is compromising. I mean, people do talk about it, compromising or giving effort is not always 50-50. And sometimes when people do have trauma of past relationship, they're scared to put in more effort. Ya kan? Kayak kita tuh takut, I don't wanna harus ngelaluin itu lagi where I am always the one that's pursuing you atau putting in the effort and you're always the one. Yeah. So I guess in your case, you guys are meant for each other.
Amen.
Yeah. No, I can't wait. By the way, I'm invited for the marriage.
It's actually, what can I say it?
What?
Wait, it's your wedding. Why am I saying stuff about your wedding? It's in Bali. It's in your home.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Come to Bali.
Terus after we can surf together.
Girl, do you think after getting hit, she would want to serve with you? Miss Ma'am.
Pokoknya jangan before nanti.
Am I not that enticing enough?
No.
Norm. Yeah.
But you guys gonna be in Bali together then. You guys can go surfing
I
together.
don't think you would want to go surfing with me, would you?
Why wouldn't I?
I don't know.
Free lessons.
All right, it's a date.
I have a question.
Okay.
You gotta choose crown or peace of mind?
Oh my god, peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
That's a, you know what, in Putri Indonesia, when I was still Miss Cosmo and Putri Indonesia asked me buat isi kelas, bimbingan, apa ya, pembekalan. Somebody asked me what made me look so like stress-free when I was competing. I couldn't say that I was stress-free for Putri Indonesia, but I was really stress-free for Cosmo. Karena I came to an understanding that that the crown should never ever ever be bigger than us. Never ever.
That's nice.
Jadi in a pageant, and also I said that in a pageant, it's like for them, it's like choosing a partner. They want to choose someone that's right for them. Doesn't mean that that girl is not right or not the best. It's just I'm right for Cosmo, gitu. And there's so many, independent ladies. The delegates are so amazing. They're so talented. They're so outspoken. Tapi I'm the one that got in. Not because I was the best, tapi I was the right fit for Cosmo saat itu. And that there are other delegates di Cosmo yang is my role model. And people would think that it's weird because I'm the winner of Cosmo, why are you, But it's not like that. Yes, I'm super duper grateful. Aku bersyukur banget I have the crown, the Putri Pariwisata crown, the Cosmo crown. But then again, it's just a crown. It's supposed maybe to help you sit straight. It's not supposed to define who you are. Yes, you guys are both Miss Indonesia, but you guys are still Audrey Vanessa and Monica Kezia, right? And it's just something that I will always say. Even kayak sekarang ini misalnya ada delegates di Putri Indonesia yang tanya ke aku tips biar menang apa. I never would give tips yang practical yang kayak take notes gini-gini apa-apa gitu, you know. Cause I believe kalau kamu udah choose to sign up to compete, that means you understand the risk and responsibility, and that's on you. That's up to you. Cara kamu mau belajarnya, cara kamu mau kerja kerasnya, that's on you. Tapi if you wanna ask for my tip, don't stress about it. On the final night, it's fate. It's fate. You could be doing your best, atau you could have been, oh my god, this past a month, aku tuh udah, I'm the best version of myself by far. Kayak aku tuh udah, ini mentok banget by far. Aku nggak pernah lebih baik dari ini. But you still don't get the crown. Don't let that stop you.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
just a crown.
They still get the benefit anyway. Mereka tetap jadi best versions of themselves, right? So
and that's the end game.
it's a
no?
win-win game, right?
Yeah.
Winning or not.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
But Tata, one day if you choose to have kids,
Yeah.
if I don't know what's your choice, but anyways,
Yeah.
if you have a daughter,
Yeah.
bakal suruh dia pageant nggak?
I would not tell her to do anything. You know what? I would do what my mom did. I would invest in banyak banget les. Nyanyi, biola, apa semuanya gue lesin pokoknya. Terus kalau udah mulai rebel-rebel, udah selesaiin. Tapi I feel like bakal kepake. At the end of the day bakal kepake, whether it's just for hobbies, tapi at least udah ada keterampilannya gitu loh. But you know what? Actually, I would be harder than my mom. I would force my kid to commit to something. For example, kalau aku lesin tenis, I would force them to
Commit.
Iya, commit
Konsisten
sampai
ya.
iya gitu. Bahkan di males-malesnya, di bolos-bolosnya, I would say like, lu pergi nggak lu?
Oh, galak juga ternyata guys sukanya.
Cause I read that turns out itu builds character,
Yes.
right? It builds character, and it's something I'm lacking. So I would do that.
Okay.
So one day if your daughter kayak mami mau Putri Indonesia, boleh nggak?
Boleh dong.
Mami Indonesia boleh nggak?
Nggak boleh. Bercanda. Boleh dong, boleh. Mau kemana aja boleh. You know what? It's up to him or her.
yeah.
Like literally. But I don't think I want to have kids though.
Oh, that's on you. That's your choice, girl.
In this world, oh my god.
But having a kid in Bali,
It's so
fun gak sih?
I was a kid in Bali. It was fun. It was fun. No, the thing is, my frontal lobe hasn't developed yet.
That is true. She's 22.
Iya, jadi
udah mulai dong harusnya.
everything tapi
sampai
not
pegang
fully
frontal lobe,
developed, right?
Until
Jadi
we're 33.
25.
Oh, 25. Okay, so
I
mine's
think
developed?
so. I think so.
Okay.
Kayaknya 25. Jadi kayak everything I say now might change in 3 years ya.
Okay.
Everything I say now.
sih sebetulnya.
Apa yang Oke, tadi kita udah ngobrol banyak within us, but
Sejujurnya aku nggak terlalu paham sih kita ngomongin apa dari tadi.
Iya, sebenarnya kita tuh nggak ada topiknya ya.
Nggak ada.
yeah,
This is Gen Z talk.
we just yap. We just
I
yap.
like yapping. Do you like yapping?
I love yapping. I love it too much that I need to stop.
No, don't stop. Stop after the podcast.
Okay guys, kita udah ngobrol yapping a lot. But now the netizen and the followers and the pageant lovers want to yap with us.
Ooh.
They have their opinion and questions for you.
Nice, excited.
So let's go, Mon.
Let's go.
Kak, I wonder gimana caranya kamu ngerawat kulit cantik banget.
Typo.
I have a confession.
Oh, apa?
I don't really have a routine. Kayak I do my skincare, tapi aku tuh kulitnya tuh sensitif banget. Kulit aku tuh sensitif banget. Jadi gampang jerawatan, gampang sunburn, gampang semua tuh gampang
Really?
beruntusan. I swear. Can you imagine waktu kemarin compete di Cosmo yang tiap hari makeup dari subuh sampai malam
itu gimana?
Jadi kalau orang-orang ngasih tips and trick kayak, iya aku nggak hapus aja makeupnya, aku tidur besok paginya aku pasti pakai makeup yang sama. I could never do that.
Ada.
Ada banget.
Who gave you that tip?
Oh, plenty. Nanti I swear. Soalnya ya guys, I know some of you might think kalau ini tuh disgusting, tapi kalau di Cosmo sama Putri Indonesia, we don't have time to rest. Kita tidur tuh tiap hari tuh 3 jam 2 jam loh. Dan itu tuh kita kegiatan dari pagi sampai malam on high heels, right? Di Cosmo tuh sama kayak gitu. Jadi for some girls, daripada mereka kehilangan stamina, energi atau sakit, mereka lebih pilih 2 jam 3 jam nih gara-gara kepotong makeup dan hairdo ya. Mereka tuh lebih pilih makeup sama hairdo-nya di keep. Jadi misalnya ini hari Senin, makeupan eyelashes doang yang dibuka, tidur, bangun yang harusnya mungkin jam 4 buat makeup, mereka berbangun jam 6, tinggal mandi doang, pakai lagi eyelashesnya, jalan gitu. That I don't judge, like I feel you. Kalau kulit aku badak, I would do the same. Kayak I would do the same. Tapi masalahnya aku yang double cleansing pagi malam aja tetap jerawatan, apalagi I do that gitu. Kalau ditanya, I don't hate it. I don't hate the question, tapi you need to find your own routine. Karena when it comes to taking care of your skin, it needs to be personalized. Kayak aku nggak mau banget ngasih tahu kayak pakai produk ini, pakai produk itu gitu. That's why I don't take skincare endorsements. Karena I'm an acne fighter. I'm a texture fighter. I get how it feels like to be so confused ngeliatin orang recommend ini, beli ini. Kok nggak bisa recommend itu, beli itu, nggak bisa. I would suggest kalau kamu fighting with acne, go to a doctor. Go to a dermatologist instead of finding things on TikTok or Instagram. Tapi kalau misalnya the general tip would be control what you eat, your diet. Karena for me ngaruh banget. And I'm lactose intolerant, jadi and I love cheese. Jadi kayak tiap abis makan pizza udah tepung tambah cheese tambah udah mulai breakout bla 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 gitu.
That fast?
That fast instantly, and dandruffs kalau aku.
Wow.
I know, right?
I mean, you cannot be perfect, right? Jadi,
Oke. Biarkan lah ya, biar. Next.
Tata please mukbang
Balinese food again.
Sebetulnya aku selalu mukbang guys, tapi nggak on camera aja. Tapi iya mau banget sih. Aku tuh bingung ya setelah pageant, karena I want to broaden the spectrum of my social media. Kayak aku pengen ada kulinernya, ada travelnya kan, karena selama ini kan always beauty and the topic of beauty, women kayak gitu kan, which I love. Tapi I want to broaden the spectrum. Kayaknya aku pengen bikin video-video kulineran, gitu-gitu
make a
kan.
YouTube. Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do, but it's not active.
Go active. Especially now that your followers are not only like Indonesian, like all around the world. So I think good platform to show about Indonesia.
Right. I know. Kangen teteh udah gesrek. What does that mean?
What is gesrek?
Gesrek is like gila, kayak sedikit gila. I don't know if it's an acronym, tapi in my understanding gesrek tuh kayak agak gila gitu.
So it's not like
Geser. Tapi Tata is always Tata, right? You're always on this mode, no?
When you're in pageantry, kayak pageantry itu udah ada stereotype-nya nggak sih, as a queen gitu kan, kayak gini gitu. But as the talents, the queens, itu kadang itu kita want to respect how things have been set in stone gitu. At least for me. Karena dari dulu I see a Putri Indonesia itu seperti ini, I would try to be like that. Tapi turns out I feel like I'm lying to myself. So I still do that. I mean, if it's a formal event, I would be like more calmer and stuff. Tapi kalau misalnya kayak gini, ya why would I do that? Why would I be so uptight gitu? But I kind of want to be kayak seeing misalnya kayak Kak Ode or Kak Sophie. They're just giving like,
You know, she said Kak Sophie, but she's looking at me like, what? Why am I not mentioned?
girl, you yap like me. Kayak I kind of want to give off that vibe too. You get what I mean?
You could never.
Thanks. Diam kayak, oh yeah, okay, you know, you get what I mean? Kayak, how amazing would that be? The daughter my mom never had.
Okay, let's play a game.
Kan ada kata dari bahasa Inggris, and then kita bakal tebak bahasa Indonesianya. Tebak kata aslinya kursi.
Kursi.
Karena dia udah lihat. Udah lihat tadi.
Not fair.
Lemari.
Lemari. Dulu. Siapa duluan? Sultan.
Apa sultan?
Gak tahu. Sultan. Gamsut.
Kok ten ada tennya?
Biasanya Sultan. Iya Sultan kan?
Ya gamsut. Iya gamsut.
Oh.
Different generation.
I pay karbar.
Apa kabar?
Udah main sendiri main sendiri.
Boyor.
Didi pun.
Ini bahasa Jawa ya?
Boyor.
Bahasa Indonesia?
Yakin?
Boyo didip.
Bahasa Jawa boyor di dopon. Iya. Iya, bayar di depan, guys. Kulpak. Kulkas. Hah? Kerupuk. Kenceng banget suara.
Revisi nggak? Ayam gepak.
Ayam gerpak.
Makanan baru semuanya nyeletuk.
Kau kira kukuruyuk.
Kau
kira
ku rumah.
Ku kira ke rumah. Ku kira.
Nyanyi.
Next.
Nasi soda menjoli bubur.
Nasi sudah menjadi bubur. Orang pintar mau beda kelas, bro.
Bridging closing plus quotes of the day dari Tata.
Oke, Ta, tolong nanta.
Quotes hari ini adalah who we're becoming is because who we were in the past.
That actually makes sense.
Oke.
Bahasa Indonesianya?
Bahasa Indonesianya adalah begini. Kalau kita ingat diri kita harus juga memahami bahwa diri kita sekarang adalah diri kita karena diri kita dari masa lalu.
Betul.
Amin.
Well, that is it guys for today. Thank you for tuning in, Modcast, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, Tata.
But anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank
It's
you
been
so
a blast.
much.
I'm waiting for my second invitation.
Oh yes.
There will be. I don't know. I want to do that.